Hey guys, so we're going to make some Fijian style rourou today. So here we have some oil in the pan, and that's just heating up. And then we're going to add one onion and one whole bulb of garlic and about 2 tablespoons of ginger. So we just have chopped that finely. And we also have here some dalo leaves. Dalo give us quite a bunch in there. And we also have some mince. It's about 0.8 kgs, it says on here. And we have some coconut milk as well. We're going to add more than this. I'm just going to get some more because we ran out. And so yeah, one tip you can, how you know the oil is done, is you can just add a bit of water. And if it starts to make a crackling sound, then that's how you know it's ready. But at the moment it didn't, so we just know that it's not ready yet. So we're just going to let it heat up a little bit. And yeah, I'm just frying some onions and making sure that it doesn't burn. And so I'm going to turn it down to medium heat. And then we're just going to chop up the dalo leaves. So here we've got the garlic and ginger that's browning, and I think that's pretty good. And now we're just going to add the mince to this and fry it off a little bit. Then we're going to add the dalo leaf, 10 or 15 cups here, quite a lot. And I also have some more coconut milk here, about 2 cups. And when I add these two, it'll probably be, how much grams is it? 165 ml. So we're going to add 2 of these. So I'd say pretty much you want to have equal parts of coconut milk and the dalo leaves. So you can adjust with that. And also I forgot to add the chili. So I'm just going to add some green chilies. So I've chopped up 2 small chilies and added in there, but you can always add more if you want it to be spicier. It just depends on your taste, the taste that you want. So yeah, now we're going to add the mince. Okay, now I'm going to fry this. So before it was on low heat, so I've turned it up to about medium to high, it's about high heat, and just fry this off. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to add here about 4 or 5 teaspoons. Yep, about 5 there. And I'm just going to add some pepper, like about 2 or 3 teaspoons. And yeah, usually sometimes I would use corned beef as well. You can add that. And if you're using corned beef, it's already cooked, so you don't really have to cook it too much. So yeah, so that's almost done. I'm going to add 2 cubes of chicken stock and just put a bit of water in there and add that. Okay, so we have turned it to low heat. So we don't want to overcook the mince too much. And I've added in the leaves, dalo leaves. And now I'm just going to add the coconut milk to it. Okay, so we've still got this on low heat, been cooking it for about 5 minutes. I've added 1.5 teaspoons more of salt, and I think I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. And I've added a little bit of chili powder as well, about 1/2 teaspoon. So you can just keep tasting it and just seeing and adjusting to how you want it to be. And also just try and break up the meat because it tends to clump, especially if you're not using corned beef. And also if you are using corned beef, I would add less salt because there's already salt in there. Okay, so this is the final result. You can serve this with boiled cassava or dalo or rice. And yeah, serve it nice and hot. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh, and also, this is how you know it's done, when you can see the oil coming up. Yeah, so that's how you know it's like pretty much done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.